you've got your Joy app open, and you just want to come in here to your cutaway cards and click on Design Your Own. And there are lots of designs in Designspace as well now. So you're going to click Start Designing, and I am going to do my card as a portrait. And then I'm going to select its size and hit Next. And now I'm going to add my images. I'm going to select Image. And I'm just going to select something simple here. I'm going to select this rose, and I'm going to put a check mark there. And then I'm going to add another image. I want hello. So I am going to go back, and we're going to look for hello. And search. And then I'm going to choose this one here. And we're going to add that one. And now I'm going to position those like I want them on the card. So we've got that. That looks center. I'm lining it up with my line here in the center. Just get that lined up. And then I am going to switch here. I want to cut that. There we go. And now I've got my hello in there. That looks good to me. And we're going to see that. So now I have my card set up. I'm going to say done. And then I'm using a cutaway card. I'm going to hit next. And then it's going to tell me what I need. And then I'm going to hit make it. It's going to connect to my Joy. And then it's going to tell me how to load my mat. Now you can see that they pull the entire release liner off and then put the backer on. Then you're going to put it on your mat, and then you're going to put that into the Joy. And we're going to follow those, but I'm going to go over to the overhead cam so that you can see it. You're just going to finish following these on-screen prompts. Okay, so here you are. This is after it's weeded. You followed your on-screen prompts, and it told you how to cut it and load it in there. But I'm going to show you here how I do my backer. They showed you how they did theirs. You want to put your pretty side down, but I like to peel just part of the liner down, maybe about 1 inch, and fold that release liner back. That way I can rest my backer card pretty side to the card on that release liner, and I can get it lined up like I want it without it sticking everywhere. And once I've gotten it where I want it, because I can slide it on that release liner, I just go ahead after I get that and I press it down once I've made sure that it's even. So then you're just going to lift it up. Don't bend it, just lift it up, and then you're going to pull the rest of that liner out and press it down. Now you can put it on your mat and it's ready to cut. Again, once you've cut it, all you're going to do is weed out the unwanted parts to expose that pretty shiny holographic underneath it. So thank you for joining me. I will catch you on the next video. Look at that shine. You guys have a wonderful day, and please give a thumbs up, a like, and comment down below. Happy crafting!